course, the focus stays, as I said, on the controversy over a meeting between 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed and a journalist close to yoga teacher Baba Ramdev today that sparked a major row in the parliament. It's opposition versus the BJP sparring again, this time on Ved Prakash Vaidik issue. Targeted by the opposition, the ruling BJP today distanced itself from that meeting. Now, responding to that attack, Finance and Defence Minister Arun Jaitley made it clear that the government had nothing to do with the journalists' meeting with Hafiz Saeed. In a written statement, Jaitley said that Saeed remains a terrorist who has been accused of attacking India. And earlier, Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev came to the defence of his close aide, who's also under attack over his alleged meeting with 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है यदि वैदिक जी उनसे मिले भी हैं तो उन्होंने उनका हृदय परिवर्तन करने की कोशिश की होगी। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है यदि वैदिक जी उनसे मिले भी हैं तो उन्होंने उनका हृदय परिवर्तन करने की कोशिश की होगी।
We have Raza Ulashkar in our studios. Raza, what do you make of the situation? A man who's regarded as masterminding the 2611 attacks is meeting with someone who calls himself an independent journalist. What is your reading of the situation?
Well, you know, I did speak to Dr. Vaidik yesterday, and just a couple of things. I mean, he does say he's a journalist, but we haven't seen very much of his work as a journalist in recent years. So, and also, you know, I mean, I don't think there's been any meeting between an Indian journalist and Hafiz Saeed in the last 5 to 6 years. So, I mean, one does tend to question the propriety of a meeting like this. I mean, we had the instance of Mani Shankar Iyer, who was almost, you know, kind of befooled into you know, being on the same television show as Hafiz Saeed in 2012, and he got into serious trouble with the Congress party when he came back from Pakistan. So I mean, one would tend to question the propriety of this meeting because Mr. Vaidik hasn't written on this meeting as yet. He hasn't done any journalistic work on this meeting.
He's only released the photographs.
Yeah, he's just released the photograph, and you know, there are these accounts of the conversation about how Hafiz Saeed would like to come to India and, you know, try to clear his name as far as the Mumbai attacks are concerned. So I mean, it's a fact that, you know, Hafiz Saeed has been declared a terrorist by the UN, by the US, by India, and you know, he is a person who has been linked to the Mumbai terror attacks. So I mean, this is not a person who's your garden variety of terrorist. I mean, he is one of the bigger terrorists that India is worried about. He is one of India's most wanted persons. So I mean, one has to question the propriety of this meeting.
The question is, in what capacity was he traveling with this delegation, and is it possible that that delegation would have been completely unaware of this meeting between the two?
Well, you know, I mean, according to the information that has emerged, Dr. Vaidik was in Pakistan for some sort of a track 2 meeting. But what he did tell me was that this meeting with Hafiz Saeed happened due to a mutual desire. I mean, those are his exact words, that there was a mutual desire between him and Hafiz Saeed to meet. They had planned to meet earlier, but it didn't happen. And, you know, then he says some Pakistani television journalists helped him arrange this meeting this time. So one would assume that the delegation that he was traveling with wasn't really aware of this meeting, and this was some sort of a private affair, and took place in Hafiz Saeed's home in Lahore.
You mentioned a track 2 kind of a meeting. Is that something that is known within Indian government?
Well, you know, I mean, the Indian government should be aware of most of the track 2 meetings that happen, but I wouldn't say that the Indian government would have a direct role in most of these track 2 meetings. Some of them are totally independent efforts involving think tanks on both sides of the border. But I doubt there's been any, you know, track 2 sort of an event where members of the delegation have gone off and met somebody like Hafiz Saeed.
Right, but the Congress certainly is not buying that. Thank you very much, Raza Ulashkar, for joining us with your opinion. They will, of course, continue to keep a close track on that story. We're also hoping to get in a word from Ved Pratap Vaidik himself in a short while from now.